Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to explain you about how to draw the pyramid. See, most of you have got the mail regarding your online examination and that you are having your first question like this, right? I got a solution for this. If you want, you can take a note from this program and you can experiment it by your own, then you can attend the exam, right? Let me quickly explain about the concept behind this program. See, I have taken 7 columns for example and 4 rows for example. In this particular example, you can see here in a 4th row, in all the columns you are having the asterisk symbol. Okay, but in particular rows we are not having any symbols, right? But if you see diagonally, in all the rows, diagonal manner, you are having the asterisk symbol. Okay, from top to bottom, bottom to top and top to bottom, you are having the asterisk symbol diagonally, as well as in the last row you are having the asterisk symbol, right? It is simple if you follow the logic behind it. See, basically input we have to give as a user, and that input I am getting in a first line, right? N is equal to int input of enter the number of rows. See here, I will enter the number of rows as 10, right? This is the line for getting the input from the user. That is the first line. In the second line, since we are having the rows and columns, in the diagram I have mentioned like these are all the 4 rows and 7 columns are there. So you have to mention the range for rows and columns. Okay. So for row is in range 1 comma n plus 1. See, we are giving the range like 10, right? So in the place of n plus 1, 10 plus 1 is the value 11. So this loop will execute from 1 to till 10. You can know very well from in a range it will exclude the last value. Okay, range is nothing but between the minimum and maximum. You know that right? So 1 comma 10. So still 10 it will execute the loop. Okay, next for column in range 1 comma 2 star n. Here 2 star n is nothing but for columns in range. Since you can see here 2 star n, how many stars asterisk mark are here? There are not nearly 20 asterisk mark are there. So 20 times you need to execute this particular column loop. Okay, so this loop will execute for 20 times and this outer loop will execute for 10 times. Okay, here is the condition. We are going to print the asterisk symbol, right? So if row is equal to n, I have mentioned here in a last row, we are having asterisk symbol in all the column. Okay, so that is what is mentioned in the code. Row is equal to 1 n, that is in a 10th row we are going to print the asterisk mark in all the columns. Okay, so the condition is, first condition we are giving, if the row is equal to 10 or row plus column is equal to n plus 1. This condition is for drawing this particular asterisk symbol diagonally. Left side diagonal asterisk symbol we are going to draw using this condition. Okay, row plus column is equal to n plus 1. Okay, so in third condition is for column minus row is equal to n minus 1. It is nothing but we are going to draw this particular asterisk symbol using this condition, column minus row is equal to n minus 1. The meaning of that is we are going to draw the asterisk symbol in this manner. Okay, so if any of this condition is true, or in the sense any of this condition is true, we are going to print the asterisk mark, or else you can end the symbol using the space. We are getting an hollow space between this particular diagram, right? So this space is obtained by this particular line. Print end is equal to quotation mark, within that we are having the space. Clear? Okay, so this particular printf statement is for moving into next line. So here we are starting with a single asterisk, then we are moving to next line, then we are moving to next line. For this purpose we are having this print statement. Friends, you can try this code. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.